Get him, boy. Not too big. He's not liking that too much. Ow! One hit me. It came right through the tree and smacked me. Whoa! Sucker almost pelted me. Ow! That one did. Oh, that one did. Pretty hard. Well, I guess they weren't lying about the severe storms up here. Dang. Nice little ice balls all over the place. Now I can go roll the windows up, I suppose.